So here we have a HC300 controlling the automation of the entire house. We have a 4-zone amp, Control 4-zone amp. Its sources are Rhapsody, which is streaming through the HC300, any CDs or movies, or Pandora, which is streaming as a function of the Blu-ray player, is also available on the amp. We have the living room DVR available on the 4-zone amp. Perfect scenario would be Super Bowl party. You can have the Super Bowl playing throughout the house. We have this as a source. The fourth source is the Control 4 for iPod. All your music and iTunes available throughout the house. Here we have a 7-inch tabletop remote, and I'll show you how we can access the iPod. List populates with all of our playlists, artists, albums, genre, etc. And it's simple as just using an iPod.